look around for cops.
There's
you're not the one going to jail.
There's no cops. Oh.
Where?
Not a cop. How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and just like everyone else before that's made this fatal mistake, today I think it's a good idea to let my girlfriend drive my new car. So she has not driven the 2009 Corvette ZR1 yet. So like we have with the McLaren, the Supra, the Mustang, everything else, I'm gonna let her take this for a spin today, and hopefully it goes well. We still have my very expensive front lip on it, and we just put on these Apex wheels with slicks in the rear, so hopefully we don't hit any puddles. Luckily for me, it's 110 degrees out right now, so I don't think we'll have any issue having traction. We will have all the traction, and the car will be probably heat soaked before we even pull off of my street. So let me go get my girlfriend, and hopefully this video goes smoothly. I mean, she hasn't driven stick in a while, so there's that. All right, Missy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Do you think you have what it takes to drive the greatest American supercar of all time? It's not a supercar, I know.
Yeah, I have a license.
Always witty with the answers. All right, go ahead, climb in. You still remember how to drive stick?
Keys.
The keys are, yeah, they're in my pocket. You still remember how to drive stick?
Yeah, I didn't lose my memory. Hurry up.
Damn, sassy with this one. Data Latina, they said. Is that a real tattoo on your arm? You remember how to turn on one of these bad boys?
That's a stupid question. How do you turn this on?
You gotta hold the clutch. All right, and just so this is on camera, you break my car, you pay for it, so.
No.
Damn it, I thought it would work. Guys, before this starts, can you quickly just say a prayer and potentially drop your final like? No, I'm joking. But yeah, in all seriousness, hopefully this goes well. Do you want the valves open or closed?
Open. Open?
All right. There we go. Now it sounds proper. Ooh. You miss driving stick?
Yeah.
Do you regret buying an automatic?
1000%, yeah.
That's one thing she has said like every day since she's got her S650 is how she regrets buying an automatic. I think in the long run she might enjoy it more if she actually like puts power down once the car's ECU is unlocked. But yeah, she just misses driving stick. So yeah, you get a, you know, I have enough stick cars that you could drive. You could drive my stick whenever you want. My Mustang stick, that is. All right, so we're merging onto the highway now. Car isn't like warmed up yet, so she's not gonna full send it yet. She's still getting used to the car. I mean, she's driven it for 2 minutes, so.
I think I'm in 6th gear. How do you double check?
You are in 5th gear. I can tell just by looking at that.
ZL1.
Wait, where's the ZL1?
Well, it's a Camaro, but.
No, I don't think it's a ZL1. Are you fit to race him? Do you think you can race him?
No.
Then why are you getting excited?
Is it a ZL1?
This guy's about to blow our doors off, and this guy, no, I don't, no, it's not a ZL1.
Well, it's a Camaro.
It's a Camaro,
like
yeah. It's the facelift 6th gen. But this dude's about to blow the doors off of us if we do race, because no driver mod. And he's gonna be like, dude, I just cooked Drew Peacock ZR1, bro. That dude can't drive for shit.
I want to remember how to downshift. Like right here, look.
Yeah, downshift. You just got to rev match.
Just ref it.
Don't.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you did it. I just thought you were about to go into reverse. I got a little scared.
Oh, God.
No, I mean, you can keep going for it. I mean, downshift again.
Okay, I'm in 5th.
Yeah, downshift.
Wait, he's going too slow. I don't know.
That's why you downshift. Downshift. Yeah, that was actually smooth.
Really?
Slow, but smooth. You do it again? Go to 3rd. This car has really, really tall gears. Now, get on it a little bit. Yeah, bang them gears.
Let me get over, pussy.
Well, after you cut off this fucking Bubba truck, yeah.
The TRX.
It is. I don't think it's a TRX. I think it's a Rebel. Oh, there's a C8.
Where?
Oh, you got to go for the C8. Get him, mammy. Yeah, let her eat. Damn. You could drive stick. Look at you. All right, get over it. Go around the Tesla. Go hunt down that C8.
The Camaro's following me. I'll race him right now. I'll race that Camaro.
That's a 4th gen. Yeah,
I'll race him.
You have good odds of beating that. Go for the C8.
Okay. I'm in 5th gear?
Yeah, you're in 5th gear.
I'll pull up. Hurry up. Here, let me downshift.
I'll pull up. Oh, he likes it.
Wait, what gear am I on?
You're in 5th, I think. Go to 4th. You might be in 3rd. I don't know. Get on it.
I'm in 3rd.
3rd. I got Mammy out here bowling, just
I know.
the V6 Camaro. Did you hear it though? It kind of sounded like someone took a shit.
I want to do a little pull.
Once it straightens out, yeah, you can do a pull. But rev it out all the way. Don't short shift this shit. You got traction control on and you're on slicks, so you'll be okay.
What gear am I on?
You're in 6. So
I'll take the Raptor.
downshift. Yeah, do a flyby. Okay, downshift again.
I'm in 5th?
Yeah. Damn, no driver mod. You wanted to stick shift? All right, downshift one more time.
Tesla's on that.
Yeah, downshift. You're about to fucking dust him. All right, let her eat. You are short shifting her, Missy. That was 4K.
I have no room. I don't have room.
Well, that's why you gotta slow down a little bit more.
Yeah, and the Tesla's on my fucking ass.
You gotta let the Tessie understand that we're in the bestie Corvette on the road.
I want to go somewhere so we can do polls.
Yeah, you're on the interstate. You could do pulls.
I know, but like,
You just gotta let her eat a little bit. You're in.
I'm not used to this car, so I think I'm
That's
in.
fair.
I think I'm in fucking.
You're in 4th.
4th.
You're in 4th. Yeah. All right, P my gas. Downshift. Go. I'm a bad influence. Go. Downshift. 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 All right, now wide open throttle. Go. Wide open throttle. I mean, that's better. I mean, preferably 2 hands on the wheel when you're doing a pull.
Okay.
But you did good. I mean, you have giant brakes. You have great wheels and tires. You have great suspension. You have great weight distribution. I mean, it couldn't get better than this. Does it feel fast?
Yeah. It feels nice driving. There's a Beamer that wants to race me.
Yeah, Beamer is kind of coming up.
Kind of swerving around.
He's kind of cutting up. There's a Beamer and a Lexus coming up. Sorry, I'm having trouble working the camera right here. All right, let's see if Little Miss Mammy here can downshift. Go ahead, hit us with another downshift. Okay.
It's better.
Got a corner right here, yeah. Chill, 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 chill. Oh my God, she's flying into this corner. Oh my God.
No, I'm not.
I mean, you've never driven the car. When I see your,
go right.
Yeah, go right. When I see your hands like next to each other on the steering wheel, they're not at 10 and 2 or 9 or what is it? 9 and 3. There you go. Nice downshift.
Ooh, I like that downshift. Okay, go here.
Yeah, go right. Yeah.
Follow this little.
Follow this. It'll put you right back on the freeway.
Ooh.
You can get on it a little bit. Whoa. Did a little nice little backfire.
Here.
Yeah, downshift. We're getting you track ready.
I'm in
She's
where?
gonna be racing at Le Mans this year.
Oh.
Oh shit. Okay, what'd you do?
I don't know, I'm in neutral.
Okay, yeah, just go in neutral. I mean, so far it's going good. You haven't really like let her 8-8 though. Like I wanna get pushed back in the seat. That's what I want. We'll get you some space right here. Start downshifting.
That was not nice.
Wasn't perfect. It was okay. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
It's bumpy.
You're fine. Just downshift.
I think I'm in fucking 3rd.
You're in 3rd. Yeah. Go ahead. Slam it all the way to the floor. That's not slamming it.
He's right there.
No, he's not. He's a fucking football field away. What are you doing?
He's right here. Yeah.
You're driving more dangerous than if you were to actually just get on it. Get in the carpool right now.
Carpool?
Yes. It's okay, now downshift. Look at all that real estate you got. All right, slam it to the floor. No easing onto it. Stomp that bitch. Keep it going. No. Keep it. What?
He's right here. He's literally. Am I supposed to brake when I'm fucking sniffing his fucking taillights or what?
You have massive carbon ceramics.
I don't trust them. Okay, I'll slow down.
Slow down.
Little pull. Slow down.
You're just wasting my gas. That's all she's doing. Yeah, do one here. Downshift.
Go to 3rd?
Yeah. Now stomp on it. All the way to 6,000. There you go. All right, chill. Chill.
Now you're saying
Well, when I say chill, that means start braking. That doesn't mean start coasting right into the next car's asshole. Jesus, you're gonna get us killed. How does it feel? I mean, you finally revved it out all the way. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, because I finally had the fucking space.
She had plenty of opportunity before. We're going to a super top secret exit where she
right
can do...
right there, I'm comfortable because like...
I want you to do a 2nd gear and I want you to fucking...
I'm just scared of losing traction.
You're not gonna... 345 tires in the rear, slicks. You ain't losing traction. You'll be good. Trust me. I promise you'll be good. So, all right. Well, we'll continue this once we get to the most magical exit ever.
Race me.
I mean, it's got a performance pack.
I'll downshift.
Oh, it is a 5.0.
Wait, would I beat him?
No,
I wouldn't beat him.
You would beat him. You would beat that. It's a 5.0.
I downshifted. He doesn't want to play.
Yeah, you scared him. He saw a pretty girl in a Corvette and thought, damn, that girl must do OnlyFans. Get over. Yeah, so she claims she's gonna give it the beans right here. I want her to go all the way to second and give it the beans.
I'm in fourth.
We'll see if we're lucky. Yeah, just stay in fourth. Start coasting. Build some space.
I'm in second now, aren't you?
Okay, start getting on it.
Look around for cops.
You're
not the one going to jail.
There's no cops. Ooh. Okay, you are short shifting, but you are driving good. You're doing good. You're just short shifting a little bit. I think we could turn you into the next Steve McQueen here.
I think
quick.
I'm in where?
Is that a cop?
What gear am I on? It's a Challenger. Stop it.
I just wanted to fuck with you. You're in third. Just go neutral and brake.
Dude, stop.
Yeah.
I looked, I saw him, I knew he was a Challenger, but then when you said that, I was like, wait, hold on, I'm not wearing my glasses. I was like, it might be.
It might be.
Okay, am I clear?
I don't know. You're driving. The hell? What do I look like? Look out, Larry? I ain't look out, Larry. What the fuck do I look like?
You're my two eyes because I can't fucking see.
So what do you think of it? You want to trade your Mustang for one?
I would probably, yeah. I think I would trade one.
Yeah, that was really quiet. I don't know if we heard that, but I'm assuming you said yeah. Hell yeah, let's trade that bitch. Sadly, your Mustang isn't as valuable.
That's it.
Ooh, it's got torque. I love this car. I want to drive it. All right, guys, we just got back. We're going to do a visual walk around. Damn. Killed that bug, whatever that was. Also, I just noticed, and I had a mini panic attack. With my polarized glasses and my polarized lens, you guys can see some like weird stuff going on with the PPF, but without the polarized glasses and lens, you can't see it. Although I do see like a slit right here. So they messed up there, but like, yeah, I'm seeing some, wow, it looks horrible on camera. Without the glasses on it or the polarizer, you guys wouldn't see it. But yeah, I mean, she didn't mess up the car, so that's good. That's always a plus. God, these wheels look so good. Forgot how good the wheels looked, but super happy with how it is. Let's go get her reaction and review of the vehicle. All right, so what do you think of the car?
I like it.
Yeah? Would you buy
I like it, I think, because I'm a driving stick, so.
Would you buy a base Corvette and get rid of the Mustang?
Yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to it. But
Or
I
like
feel
a Grand Sport? Or
I feel like a lot of people didn't try to race me in this.
Don't try to race you in
Whereas
that?
in my Mustang, people would have pulled up.
Well, in that? Wait, what do you elaborate? Sorry, maybe I'm just stupid. I don't understand what you said.
I feel like in this, not a lot of people like try to race me. Whereas if we were like in another car, like they would pull up.
Maybe. I mean, that is like an intimidating looking car. But if you got like a base or like a Grand Sport or a Z06, I mean, that'd still be a badass car. But I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, do you guys think that why is this car running? Do you guys think that she should trade this for a C6, or should we keep going with this? It's just a little limited because like the ECU is locked. We can do some like track prep stuff to get it track ready, like oil cooler, trans cooler, and diff cooler, which all comes on the Dark Horse. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Just let me know your guys' thoughts down below. But out of all of my cars, where would you place that one? Like in the tier list, I guess. Like, how would you rank?
All the McLaren's on here.
All of the cars that you've driven that I've owned. Well, I know, I'm saying, but like.
Like fun-wise, I guess, like because it's fast, a Mustang's #1.
Damn. Okay.
I would say, well, the Supra, I don't know, I haven't driven her.
You've driven the Supra before?
I would say...
It's been a while, though,
okay,
for both
then
of us.
I guess... I'm like, what cars do you have? Supra 2nd, Corvette 3rd.
Damn, that low?
What other cars do you have?
Well, I mean, let's say if I still had the McLaren. How would the McLaren stack up?
All right, but it's automatic, so... Second, I mean, I would put it last.
Okay, there you go. Well, guys, there you go. She ranked it a little lower than I thought. I mean, I thought she was having kind of fun there, but also left out the Honda, so we'll just assume that that one's at the bottom, but she didn't kill us, so that's a plus side. If she ever needed to drive this for like a photo shoot or a meet, I would let her, because she behaved very well in it. Anyways, I got some parts ordered up for this. We're looking for a few things that we can do for the S650 in the meantime. I'm thinking about changing the exhaust on this. I do love the stock sound with the just catless exhaust, but I really do like the Valvetronic on the S650. So I'm gonna reach out. Hopefully we can get some Valvetronic for the ZR1 as well, because there's no shot I would do anything unless it has valves. Not on that car. I really do like that car, and I think it would be a fun car to like take to Vegas or something. I got to set up a few races against a couple people with this car. It's been just absolutely brutal, brutally hot here in SoCal. So now that the temperature is finally dropping, I'm going to set up a race with Brian and his boosted Coyote, and then we'll try out just a few other my buddy's cars, a couple Lamborghinis and stuff, maybe a couple McLarens. And we'll just see how the stock ZR1 holds up against them, and then we'll start modding it and see just how fast we can make this thing on the down low. Anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please let me know down below. Subscribe, and until next video, peace.